Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for jewelry and watches business easy and quick. So as you know, Wix is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. You can start with Chat AI, so it's gonna help you to build your build and set up your website. So let's try to set up without AI. So here you can enter your website type. So as you see here, you can select the type of your business. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one, jewelry store. Now let's continue. So as you see here, enter your name of the store. Do you already have an online store? Choose if you already have one or not. Now let's continue. What would you like to sell? Physical products or drop shipping products or digital products? So this is depends on your business. Okay, so let's continue. Where would you like to sell? Online store or your mobile app or marketplaces and social media. So let's continue now to dashboard. Now let's go design the site. Okay, so how would you like to design your website? You can let Wix create a site for you or customize a design template. So let's get started from here. So as you see here, you can enter your information, your logo, the name of your website, the email and the address and the phone and the social link. Pick a theme you like. Pick any theme match your business. So you can try your best to make your site look structured to pull more customers to your website. So for example, choosing this one. So as you see here, you can choose your favorite homepage design. Choose whatever you like. Okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this one here. Now let's continue. And here you can add page to your site. Now let's move on. So wait a few seconds to prepare in your homepage design. Okay, so now your site is up and running, so you can go to the editor to complete the design. Okay, so as you see here, this is your homepage. So this is where you're gonna design and complete your website. So as you see here, you have elements, sections. You can edit the site design. So first of all, here the elements. So here you have a text, the theme texts, the titles, the paragraphs, the text mask. You have also images, so you can upload images, you can import images. Okay. Also the button, so you can customize the theme buttons, the text and the icon buttons. Okay. Here if you wanna add something new, you can add. Just click here and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your homepage. And here you have design, so you can change the color theme and the text theme. For example, if you want to change the text theme, just click here. You can choose one of these themes here. You can change the page background, the page transitions. Okay, now let's move on. So here we have the header section, so you can do quick edit. So you can change the site name from here if you want. You can manage the business, you can change the strip background, and also you can manage the menu, so you can change the horizontal menu. Now let's move on to the next section, the cover. So as you see here, you can change the section background, the color, the strip background, and also you can change the this image here. Just click on it, click here, and now you can search on jewelry or whatever you like to put on this image. For example, okay, I'm gonna choose just a random one, like just if you wanna change the image, like this one. Okay, so that's it. And if you wanna regenerate another text, just click here, click on the text and create AI text. Okay, so here you can describe what you want in your text, so you can choose about section or welcome section or services, and you can also see more. So for example, let's go on about section. Okay, so you can use this one, use this text here. So as you see here, also you can regenerate this AI text here, regenerate another one. So that's it. Let's move on. So this is here the product section, so you can manage product. So click on your product and physical product, and here you can manage or customize products options. So here you can add a title on your products, image and videos. You can upload images or videos about your product. Here the product information, the name and the description. Also you can customize the pricing options, the inventory and the shipping. So that's it. After this you can save this section here and go back and complete here the design. Here you have the subscription form. Also you can change just the subscription form here, so nothing special. So you can change this one, email file title, so you can change it if you want. Now let's move on to the next. The same thing here, you can just regenerate another text, just create AI, and also you can change the text on this label here. You can change the design. You can also change this image here if you want, change the strip background. Now let's move on. So this is, as you see here, you can change every paragraph here. Just click here and you're gonna regenerate another one. So that's it, nothing special here, the same thing as normal. So you can change here the image, you can edit it from here. So, and the last section here, the footer section, so you can just enter your company name for the copyright, and after you're done you can go to the preview and verify if something needs to change. Okay, so after you verify you can go and publish your website. So as you see now, your website is gonna be published. You can start selling and you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.